Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Pawan Jagannath Tamde, working as Assistant Professor in Chemistry at Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj, Nashik. Now we will see the fourth video lecture of the chapter Acids and Bases. In the previous three video lecture, we have seen some concepts like learning objectives of this chapter Acids and Bases, introduction to acids and bases, wherein we have seen certain ways in which acids and bases are conceptualized. Then we have seen the concept of pKa, pKb and conjugate acids and bases. Now in this fourth video lecture, we will see various factors which affect acidity of organic molecules. So let's begin our fourth video lecture for exploring factors which affect acidity of organic molecules. So in order to understand that, first of all consider a general chemical reaction in which an organic acid abbreviated as HA is added in water so that it dissociates to form H positive and A negative. So there is a formation of H3O positive and A negative during the course of reaction. Now there are various factors which affect acidity of this HA molecule, and these are the strength of HA bond, electronegativity of A minus or A which is adhered to hydrogen in that molecule, then factors stabilizing A minus which is conjugate base of our acid under investigation, and fourth one is nature of the solvent in which we carrying out this particular experiment. So let's explore these factors one by one. So the first factor is strength of HA bond. Now in general, if HA bond is stronger, then it is difficult to break that bond, and thus at equilibrium the concentration of H positive ion will be lesser, and thus that acid is weakly acidic in nature, and vice versa. So if HA bond is stronger, acidity of acid is weak, and if HA bond is weaker, then that acid will be comparatively stronger acid. In order to explore this concept, let us have a look at this diagram. In this you can find some molecule like CH4, ammonia, water and HF, HCl. So this is nothing but a short structure of periodic table. In this case, the bond between carbon and hydrogen are stronger, and as we move from carbon to fluorine, the bond strength decreases. So this is having stronger bond, and HF is having weaker bond among these four. So in this case, HF is comparatively acidic in nature, however acidity decreases from HF to CH4. In the same way, if we move down in periodic table, then from HF to HCl bond strength decreases, and thus acidity increases. So HCl is comparatively more acidic as compared to HF. This is true for other groups of periodic table as well. Second factor is electronegativity of A. In general, there is a rule, that is, if electronegativity of atom A is more, then acidity of that molecule will be more, and vice versa. So in order to understand this statement, let us have a look at some examples. Consider this example where hydrogen is bonded to fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen and carbon. So if you look at these molecules, then you can easily say that fluorine is more electronegative as compared to oxygen, nitrogen and carbon. So among these four, fluorine is highly electronegative atom which is bonded to hydrogen. So if we consider acidity of these molecules, then obviously HF, being a more polar bond, is more acidic in nature, and CH4 is least acidic in these four molecules. So this is a rule. Now let's have some exceptions to this rule. Now if you look at this molecule HF, HCl, HBr and HI, And if you think from electronegativity point of view, then fluorine is more electronegative as compared to chlorine, bromine or iodine. So it is expected that HF must be more acidic in nature and HI must be least acidic in nature. But if you look at the trend of acidity, then HI is more acidic and HF is least acidic in these molecules. Now why this happen? In this case, apart from size of atom, apart from polarity of HA bond, size of atom also plays an important role. As we move down the group, then size of this atom increases. Iodine is largest in size and fluorine is smallest in size, and that affects on acidity of molecule. Because after breaking of this HA bond, that A negative will form and A negative will be stabilized if its size is comparatively larger. So this is an exception for electronegativity concept, because in this case, although fluorine is more electronegative, it is least acidic when bonded with hydrogen. That is, HF is least acidic and HI is more acidic, as the size of atom plays an important role in acidity over here. The next factor which affects acidity is factors stabilizing A minus, that is conjugate base, which forms during the course of reaction. Let's see one example. Now in this case, when acetic acid is added in water, it gives a proton and there is a formation of acetate anion. Now depending upon whether this acetate anion is stabilized or not, whether this conjugate base is stabilized or not, acidity of this molecule depends on that factor. If this conjugate base is more stabilized, then tendency to lose proton by this acid molecule will be more, and vice versa. So there are certain factors which helps in stabilization of this conjugate base of parent acid. Let's explore those factors. The two factors which I considered here are resonance effect and inductive effect. We will see these two factors one by one, which helps in stabilization of conjugate base. First one is resonance factor. Now consider this reaction of acetic acid. Acetic acid being acid, it shows tendency to lose proton and there is a formation of this anion. Now in this case, the negative charge is present on this oxygen, but because of resonance, this negative charge is delocalized and it will be shared by these two oxygen equally, and thus this carboxylate ion is somewhat stabilized because of resonance effect. However, if you see this example, ethanol, in this case look at this OH bond. If suppose this OH bond is break, that is hydrogen is lost as H positive ion, then it will show acidic character. Then there will be formation of this anion, and in this case this negative charge is localized and thus negative charge is present only on one oxygen atom. So this is comparatively less stabilized as compared to this acetate anion, and thus acetic acid is comparatively more acetic acid is comparatively more acidic in nature as compared to ethanol. And if you look at reverse trend, as acetic acid is comparatively more acidic as compared to ethanol, the conjugate base of acetic acid is weaker basically in nature. However, conjugate base of ethanol, that is ethoxide anion, is comparatively stronger base. Then next is inductive effect. We know that there are two types of inductive effect, positive inductive effect and negative inductive effect. If you look at these examples, in this case I have given acetic acid and some substituted acetic acid. This is chlorine at alpha position. There are two chlorines at alpha position, and in this case there are three chlorines at alpha position. So these are acetic acid, chloroacetic acid, dichloroacetic acid and trichloroacetic acid. And if you look at pKa values of these 4 acids, then from pKa value you can clearly say that this trichloroacetic acid is more acidic among these 4. Now in this case, because of presence of chlorine next to carboxylic acid functional group, it shows negative inductive effect, and this negative inductive effect helps in stabilization of conjugate base which forms after releasing of proton. And in case of trichloroacetic acid, this conjugate base is most stabilized, and thus acidity of trichloroacetic acid is highest among these 4 given acids. In the same way, look at this example. In this case, you can see difference in position of chlorine atoms. Here chlorine is present far away from acetic acid or acid group. In this case, chlorine is present comparatively closer to acid functionality, and in this case chlorine is closest to this carboxylic acid functional group, and because of that the negative inductive effect exhibited by chlorine is more in this case, and thus acidity of this molecule is highest. However, acidity of this molecule is lowest. So depending upon position of atom or group which either stabilize or destabilize conjugate base of parent acid, acidity depends. If such electron withdrawing atom or group are closer to carboxylate acid group, then they enhances acidity, and vice versa. So look at this example. In this case, these are some acids and these are pKa values of this acid. From pKa value we can clearly says that this formic acid is most acidic among these 4 acids. Now if you look at the atom or groups which are attached to carboxylic acid functional group, then you can clearly say that in formic acid hydrogen is attached, in second CH3 is attached, in third ethyl group is attached, and in fourth this propyl group is attached. Now hydrogen do not show any tendency to withdraw electron or to donate electron. However, as we move down in these examples, this alkyl group shows tendency to donate electron, and because of that the carboxylate anion which will form after dissociation of this acid will be destabilized because of electron donating tendencies of this alkyl group, and thus among these 4 this formic acid is most acidic in nature. Then look at this example. In this case, one of the hydrogen of acetic acid is substituted by halogen. In first, hydrogen is substituted by fluorine. In second, it is substituted by chlorine. In third, it is substituted by bromine, and in fourth, it is substituted by iodine. And from pK value one can clearly say that this fluoroacetic acid, monofluoroacetic acid, is more acidic in nature as compared to other 3 molecules. And the reason behind that is fluorine is more electronegative as compared to chlorine, bromine and iodine, and thus after formation of conjugate base of this acid, fluorine shows comparatively stronger tendency to stabilize negative charge present on conjugate base, and thus it helps in enhancement of acidity of the molecules. In the same way, if you look at these examples, this is chloroacetic acid and this is dichloroacetic acid. In this case, one chlorine atom is attached on alpha carbon atom, and in this case 2 chlorine atoms are attached on alpha carbon atom. So stabilization of carboxylate ion in this case will be comparatively more, and thus this molecule is more acidic in nature and this molecule is comparatively less acidic in nature. So, if electron withdrawing atom or group are close to acidic site, then it helps in enhancement of acidity of that molecule and vice versa. Now the next factor which has effect on acidity of organic molecule is nature of solvent. Dear friends, acids and bases are ubiquitous in chemistry. However, our understanding about them is dominated by their behavior in water. The acids and bases behaves in totally different way in different solvents. In general, polar protic solvent enhances acidic and basic properties because of stabilization of conjugate base and conjugate acids, and non-polar solvents decreases acidity. But there is no such thumb rule at all. So, the solvent molecule which helps in stabilization of conjugate acids or bases by the phenomena of solvation, those solvent helps in enhancement of acidity or basicity, and the solvent which do not participate in the process of solvation, they decreases acidity or basicity of same acid or base molecule. Now consider these examples. In this case, this is alkyne, this is alkene, and this is alkane. Now among these three, which is more acidic in nature and why? So if you look at pKa values of these three different types of acidic molecule, then you can clearly state that these alkyne terminal alkynes are more acidic in nature and alkanes are least acidic in nature among these three different functional groups. Now why these alkynes are more acidic in nature and alkanes are least acidic in nature, that can be understood after considering a reaction. Consider these alkyne molecule undergoes deprotonation, so that there is a formation of conjugate base. In the same way, if one of the hydrogen from this alkane is removed, then it will form this type of conjugate base. If you look at these two conjugate bases, then you can come to know that in case of alkyne, this carbon atom over which hydrogen is present, which is to be removed, this carbon atom is in sp state of hybridization, and because of that percentage s character is more, that is the electron which are residing on this carbon atom are more close to nucleus, and thus this negative charge is comparatively stabilized. However, if you look at this molecule, in this case this hydrogen is attached to the carbon which is in sp3 state of hybridization, and thus percentage s character is comparatively less, and thus this negative charge will be away from the nucleus, and because of that stabilization of this conjugate base is comparatively less, and as a result terminal alkynes are more acidic in nature and alkanes are least acidic in nature when we consider alkyne, alkene and alkanes. So up till now in this video lecture we have seen certain factors which affects acidity of organic molecule. In that, first factor was strength of Ha bond. In general, if Ha bond is stronger, then acidity of such molecule is less, and if Ha bond is weaker, then molecules are comparatively acidic in nature. The second factor which we have seen is electronegativity of A. We have seen that if electronegativity of A in Ha molecule increases, then acidity of such molecule increases. As an exception, we have also seen that Apart from electronegativity, there is one more factor which affects on acidity of molecule, that is size of A negative which is formed. So if size of A negative increases, then acidity of molecule increases, and because of that, in case of halogen series, HF is weakly acidic in nature and HI is strongly acidic in nature, because iodine minus I minus is greater in size and it is more stabilized because of solvation effect. Then the third factor which we have seen is stabilization of A negative ion which forms after breaking of HA bond. In that we have seen resonance effect and inductive effect which plays important role in stabilization of A negative ion, that is conjugate base of our parent acid under investigation. And the last point which we have seen is nature of solvent, effect of nature of solvent on acidity of molecules. I hope you understand various factors which affects on acidity of organic molecule in this video lecture. Thank you for watching my channel.